Brand stores look great, but do they actually drive sales in 2025? Let's break it down. Now, first, I'm just going to be showing you what a brand store actually looks like. Click on a listing like Nike, Adidas on Amazon, and you'll see they have a brand store right under their title. You're just going to click visit their brand store, and then you're going to be able to see a whole little mini website, aka a brand store, where you can purchase items. You can see all the items they sell. They've got mini web pages on Amazon. This is Amazon's version of having like a mini cleaned up website where you can host videos, products, and you can actually generate more sales. Now, Amazon's definition of a brand store is a dedicated, customizable storefront on Amazon where registered brand owners can showcase and sell their products. It allows brands to create a branded shopping experience with curated product collections, images, videos, content, enhancing brand recognition and customer engagement. So pretty much, again, it's just a fancy thing for like a mini website on Amazon. So that way, if you are on Amazon and they're like, hey, can I find your product? You can just type in amazon.com/Hickaway. And then boom, their mini web page comes up so customers can find it easy. You can also run ads on this, and then people can see it on Google search. So it just kind of helps increase sales. Now, if we want to look at the analytics, we can go there. So what we can do is go into Amazon Seller Central, and then you'll see a stores icon, manage stores. This is where you can create your own store, and you can also see the analytics if it's generating you more sales. You can see right here in the last 30 days, this brand store made an extra $2,200 a month. And that's just from the brand store without running any ads. Now, it depends on your product. Obviously, if it's during the holiday season, most likely sales are going to spike up. And we had one client that generated an extra $10,000 just from their brand store. And we were not running brand ads. What we believe is during that time with SEO, they were showing up on Google organically. People were typing in their product, finding it, and then going directly to the brand store. So you can see different insights on here. You can also click edit your brand store if you wanted to edit your own brand store and add different keywords, back-end keywords, your listings, and all of that good stuff. So that is kind of brand stores in a nutshell. It does help increase sales. It does help increase credibility. It does help you show up on Google. So it should definitely be something you should implement. Now, right away, you're not going to be generating tons of sales with your brand store, but it will help over time. Last but not least, if your brand store isn't generating sales, it might not be your actual store. It could be your listing. And that's why on our website, linked below, we offer a free listing audit. So it's a win-win for you where we'll look at your entire listing and see why aren't people buying? How can you increase sales? So we're going to look at your top competitors and actually give you top improvements on what you can do to improve your listing to generate more sales. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, creating a brand store, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon account management service. This is where we'll design your brand store for you. We'll manage your inventory, do all your designs, customer service, run ads, deal with support, and most importantly, grow your sales. It's all about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.